and welcome back to another interesting video. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome too, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So in today's video, I am going to be deep cleaning our fridge. We have never cleaned it since the time we bought it. Yeah, it's been a month, and yeah, it's really dirty. I would love to take you along as I clean up everything, and then later in the video I'm going to be making juice for the whole week. I have an unboxing as well, so stay around so that you don't miss that as well. Thank you so much guys for always coming along whenever I share these vlogs with you. So yeah, you see how dirty it looks, and I can't wait to show you how it's going to look like when all the cleaning is done. So let's do it. So this is how everything looks like after removing them. See how dirty this fruits and vegetable box looks like, and all the other things from the fridge. I don't know how they call those little shelves from the fridge. Let me know how they call them if you know. Yeah, so I'm going to be washing each and every one of them, and then I'll be cleaning the fridge as well. And I would love to know, how often do you clean your fridges? Like deep cleaning. Yeah, I would love to learn from you guys. Tell me, have I taken so long without cleaning it? I feel like it makes me a little bit lazy to clean this, like deep cleaning, because there is always so much to do in the house and sometimes I forget. So maybe I took so long without cleaning it. So how often do you clean your fridges? Maybe I can change my schedule as well, and I'd be cleaning it maybe twice in a week, or maybe once in a week. Like, how often do you clean your fridges? I'd love to hear from you. Let me know down in the comment section. So one tip I've come to learn when it comes to doing chores in a home is that sometimes you will not be able to do everything that you want in the house in the same day. So it is always good for you to have a timetable, like a chores timetable, where you say that I'll be cleaning here, maybe the sitting room for this particular day, or cleaning my fridge for this particular day, doing my monthly shopping for this particular day. I feel like it makes doing these chores in your house a little bit easy and not so frustrating, because honestly running a home is not easy, but proper planning makes it even easier. So I'm done washing our fridge storage boxes. As you can see, they all look so clean. I also washed the ice racks, yeah, and those shelves, the glass shelves in the fridge, and I'll be leaving them to dry. Meanwhile, I also washed the jerry cans that we use to store our drinking water. So I have an unboxing. As I told you, I am going to be unboxing fridge bottles. Yeah, I am so excited. I actually ordered this online from one of my favorite stores. It's called Urban Kitchen Stores. Yeah, so I saw them online and I've been hearing some good reviews about them, and I'm like, why not try this out so that they can help me not to have those spills in my fridge. So if I put a jar in the fridge, the juice will always spill there. So this right here makes the storage of our juice and milk really fancy and looking nice, and also keeping it organized. So the fact that it has a cover, as you can see, I can cover my juice very tight in the fridge, and whenever you want to use it, you just grab that bottle and then serve your juice. So that's quite easy. Even when my boys are opening the fridge, they won't be able to pour my drinks. Yeah, so yeah, what do you think, guys? I love them. I love how they look like, but also the fact that it has a tight cover that can allow me to store my things and then they won't spill, and organizing my fridge. So I'm looking forward to things that will help me organize the fridge. Yeah, so meanwhile I'll be chopping some watermelon as well. I'm going to be storing this in the fridge, so let's cut it, and then the next thing, we are going to be making juice that we'll be keeping in our clean fridge as well. I'm going to be making two different types of juice. So I'm going to be making passion with carrot, and then I'll be making passion with mango. So the one with carrots and passion is for my husband because he doesn't like mango juice. And then the mango juice with the passion is going to be for my boys because they love mango juice. So let's get down to doing it. Also, I love how the passion fruit smells like really, it smells so fresh, and the moment you hear how it smells like, you can't wait to taste on the juice. So I was here showing you how it looks like. Yeah, so let's blend our juice and then we strain it and we see how it's going to come out. So our juice is done, and this right here is the mixture of passion fruits and carrots. So I'm going to be making mango juice mixed with passion next. Yeah, so basically my husband enjoys passion fruit with a little bit of carrots, so this is his, and then I'll be making for my boys. And me, I take both, like I take passion, I take the mango juice, like literally I take it all. So let's get down to doing this one as well. So do you see the difference? I see the difference. I think it's because I have made it. So I put the rest of the juice in this jar here. I think I'll be needing more of those fridge bottles, yeah, if they work well for us this time round. So let's clean up the fridge, and then we'll be putting everything that we have washed in our kitchen. And yeah, so this is how the fridge is looking like. So I am done with cleaning up everything, and I'm so proud of the work. See how clean it looks, like sparkling clean. Yeah, it's new again. So yeah, this is it, guys. I'm saying well done to myself because this is really good work. Yeah, see that I managed to fix all the shelves back. It was a bit challenging to get them out. So let's put our juice and the rest of the things that we have been chopping. And yeah, this is how the deep cleaning went. I am so proud of myself, and I can't wait to do it again, but this time round even bigger and better. So this is our juice. So this juice can take us for a whole week, yeah, if we've not taken all of it like chop. We take it with water. So some days we take water, some days we take this juice, sometimes we take the yogurt, and yeah, it takes us through the entire week. And I'm so proud that I can find time to even do this for my family. Yeah, so I'll be putting some milk also on the sides here. Meanwhile, this is the meat, the goat's meat, and then our ice cream up there, and then some ice cube racks as well. So this is what I usually put in our freezer if I have not batch cooked. So most times when I batch cook, it is all full. Here are the watermelons, and then the mangoes. Some of the mangoes remained, and then in the corner there is the chili. Yeah, so down there are our tomatoes, the green pepper, and the carrots, the ones that we usually use to cook, and then the milk and the juice. So basically that is how the fridge is looking like at the moment, and I love it. The fact that it is clean and I am the one who has done it, it fulfills me and it makes me really happy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you found it helpful, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be so glad to hear from you as well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.